Hi everybody, welcome back to another CYT-Crypto episode. My name is Stephen Aitchison and today we're going to be looking at the Bitcoin chart. We can see Bitcoin fell down to around about 39,600, and I said last week if this falls below 42,000, this was crucial support here at 42,000. If it falls below that, we're going down to 39,000. That's just what's happened just now. If we fall below this, then it looks like we could fall down to the next level of 35,000. And for me, that is a really crucial area for the 35,000 area. You can see we've bounced off that a few times in the past, and it has been previous support as well. So it's coming back up, but it's coming back up in line with the stock market. The stock market, or what the Dow Jones is doing, that's really what it's following just now. If we jump over to the Dow Jones, we can see on opening, the Dow Jones fell to around about 34,194. but since come back up a couple hundred points and is at 34,350 just now. So it's really following the Dow very, very closely just now. It's not broken away from the chains of the Dow Jones or the stock markets yet. So we have to be extremely careful with regards to kind of Bitcoin. Looking at the short term, we need to hold support at 39,000. If we go below that, we're going down to 35,000. It's not scaremongering, it just is what it is. So what do you do with your altcoins from here? It's up to yourself. Obviously, you don't know what's going to happen. So if you're in solid quality altcoins, then it's a case of holding them. I'm holding just now my altcoins, but it is really difficult to watch it going down and see the portfolio going down by 20, 30, 40, 50, 60%. It's really difficult. And then long term, for me, it's extremely bullish for Bitcoin, and I mean extremely bullish. Everything that's out there, and I'll do a separate video on that, everything that's out there just now, extremely bullish for Bitcoin. Short term, we're talking the next couple of weeks, we could be seeing down to 35,000, and it really depends on what the stock market does. If that kind of shoots back up, then Bitcoin's going back up as well. But it's closely following the stock market, and that's governed by what's happening just now with the Feds, with the inflation going up, with the interest rate hikes coming very, very soon. So we have to keep an eye on the macro. It's not just Bitcoin we're looking at. It's not broken away from the chains of what's happening in the traditional kind of finance world. That's not going to happen anytime soon. However, long term, extremely bullish for Bitcoin, and I'm expecting possibly over the weekend. It just depends on what the Dow Jones does today. It depends, but I can see Bitcoin going down below the 39,000 to the 35,000 area. So in between this area just now, where it previously was, it was kind of trading there for a few weeks previously, and I think we could see that again. So I think there's going to be some more kind of heartache just now, but it's a case of just not watching the markets just now and just holding, because if you're watching the markets, you start to panic. That fear arises within you. You kind of read the news stories and you just go, all right, I'm selling everything. And next thing you know, everything's back up again and it's double the price what it was. So if you're in quality altcoins, I would hold, and that's do your own research obviously, but if you're kind of in the kind of shit coins or risky coins, I maybe think about kind of getting out of them just now. It just depends on your level of risk at the moment. We know that this is not a good time because meme coins are doing well as well. So you could look at them, but I wouldn't suggest it. But you could look at meme coins as well. They're certainly doing well, some of them, if you can get in and out and make a profit. Okay, until next video, namaste, take care, bye now.